This is the unboxing of Eyepiece. You know what is it? I don't know. Let's see what the postman has brought. Okay, let's see what is here. We have a tissue. I suppose that's for protection, and a package. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, a Televue. A Televue Nagler 5mm eyepiece, Type 6. So that's a Type 6 Televue Nagler. Nice. Let's open and see what is inside. Oh, that's the glory of Nagler. Oh, that's beautiful. Televue Nagler, Televue 5mm Nagler Type 6. And this is 82 degrees field of view. At the same time, is light enough to be used in small refractors and reflectors. So, oh, look at that. Beautiful. Quite light and easy to carry. Let's test it now. This is the Televue 5mm Nagler Type 6. And let's see how the view looks through this eyepiece. That was the view through the Televue Nagler 5mm Type 6. The telescope I was using is my lovely Skywatcher ED80 Pro Series Gold version. It's a refractor 80mm, and the object I was looking, as you can see, are these fruits. If you follow my videos, you know that now they're looking a little bit red. So they're now getting to the time that they get ripened and the birds can come and eat them. So the object is around the tree, is around 12 to 15 meters away, and the light condition is not very good. There is no sunshine, direct sunshine. Is cloudy here, so, and the wind was blowing. I must say I'm really delighted with this eyepiece. Really good, lightweight at the same time, very nice to look through. Camera cannot do justice when you view through the eyepiece, of course, but with the eye it's crisp, clear.